Distribute the tickets among all players. Take out any one coin from the coin box. Announce the name of the Tirth corresponding to the number on the coin. Players mark the Tirth name on their tickets. The game host also marks the name on their checklist to verify when a player achieves a housie. Continue taking out coins one by one, announcing the Tirth name and marking on the tickets. Finally, rewards can be given using the following methods. 4 corners. First row. Second row. Third row. Full housie. Rewards can also be given to 3 to 5 individuals in each category. Jain Housie is a game designed not only for entertainment but also with the intention of imparting knowledge. After the game is over, please don't discard the tickets here and there. 72 tickets are included with the game. You can order more tickets for this game on shruggyan.com.